and welcome to another segment of Do Sweat the Small Stuff, where we look at seemingly small details that tell a big story about how well maintained a facility really is. These often overlooked signs have potentially huge consequences, and today we're talking about these screws. Now, seeing screws like these around any kind of equipment space is a pretty common occurrence and usually wouldn't draw much attention and could be here for any number of reasons. But with all of this equipment around me, it's most likely it belongs to one of them, meaning the last time they were serviced, they either weren't put back together properly, meaning they're now at risk, or the last time any kind of work was done on this roof, these screws were lost, forgotten, and little effort was taken to go and gather them up. But with sharp ends like these, your roof or crawl space is now at risk for a puncture hole for any kind of weather damage or infrastructure damage, meaning this 50-cent piece of equipment is now rolling into a multi-thousand-dollar repair. What a way to screw up a budget. Now, I know you're probably dying to go to your roof or equipment room to see if any of these little guys are rolling around, and if they are, go ahead and take the extra few seconds to pick them up to make sure that your facility is being kept in best condition. And that's just another lesson in Do Sweat the Small Stuff.
To learn more about topics like this, check out some of our other videos. And for answers to any questions around your facility needs, contact us at southlandind.com/let's talk.